Success is not guaranteed every time I start a new trip, but that's what makes this hobby interesting. You need to be focused, stubborn, and determined to achieve your goals, especially in urban exploring. My name is Simon Pierre. I am an urban explorer. Since 2012, I travel the world to find out and capture the unseen side of our heritage and explore some of the most iconic abandoned places. What I like the most in this activity is probably the very ephemeral aspect inside some abandoned places, frozen by time, the adrenaline you can feel when you sneak inside these places, and the emotions I try to transcribe through my work to the public. The very poetic aspect of these places, once filled by human activity and now vacant, is also an important point that I also try to transcribe through my pictures or videos. Some places, like steelworks or power stations, were once visited by legions of workers. Others, like psychiatric asylums, were places of disarray and exclusion. Each place reveals a different story, and that's what I'm looking for each time I explore a new building. Through years, editing photos or videos has taken up more and more time in my work. I like decay. It's probably weird, but I find it beautiful and fascinating. For me, it reminds us that we are mortal, and what we create is sometimes ephemeral. I stay focused, determined, and I'm still exploring some new places.